careful. Yeah, go ahead.
We just left well 41, heading for Tobin's grave. Beautiful blue sky there, and the wisps of cloud. A little bit of scrub we're going through here. It's very pretty with the red sand. Coming into well 40 and Tobin's grave. Tobin was speared by Mungkututu, and then Tobin shot Mungkututu. They both died here. And Canning brought up a headstone when they actually sunk the wells. And then for Mungkututu they put a gravesite in a few years ago. The incident happened on the return leg in 1907, return leg of when they were doing the survey for the wells.
So you're all just going past the well. We'll stop and have a look at that on the way back, but we'll come up here and have a cuppa and a grave site.
Mungkututu's grave. There's Tobin's grave with a metal edged headstone. They edged that because the Aboriginals were chipping the edge of the marble off for their spearheads. That's about it.
Yeah, it looks like it's leaf springs given out.
It's broken its back.
Broken its back. Comfortably up.
Yeah.
Just leaving well 40. Coming onto the edge of Lake Tobin. It's quite extensive, just goes for miles and miles. Looks like there's a couple of fires at the other end there. But
Come off the lake, it's a bit bumpy on the way up.
scenery just changes from one moment to the next. Interesting termite plants just on the edge of the lake here.
Right, Chris, thank you.
Come on, Chris. Champion. Well done, Chris. Coming into well 39. We're at we cross a few very, very rutted dunes. For the last couple of kilometers. We haven't missed one, but man, we've been thrown all over the cabin. Feel for the heli shooters, I think. That's what's left of well 39. A little bit of moisture down there. It looks like some original timbers, and there's definitely water down there. The well 39. Just doing some running repairs on Brad's car. Lucky you're a skinny lad, eh? I wouldn't have been able to fit underneath there. Just leaving well 39 after a little running repair to Brad's car. Something about the airbags that turned or something. It's beyond my technical.
I think everyone will need low range on that one. Good job, man.
Woohoo!
Good job, Marcus.
Man, that was hard.
Hey, Marcus.
Comes out of TVan. Rob, you'll need to tighten that firewood on Dave's truck.
Next one looks bad, Marcus. That's true.
We're just coming up to our lunch stop, which is south of well 39. We've had some of the most difficult dunes just south of well 39. Long, soft and very rutted. Twice we've had to use the launch pad to get over. So it's been quite exhilarating again.
Alright.
Lunch stop on top of a little rise. Little rock outcropping. Corrugations, yeah. It's just too beautiful. Coming into well 38. Nice afternoon sun. Track's become very rocky here. Just taking it nice and easy across the rocks. Is the resident snake at home? Coming to the sheer oaks at Wall 37, which is too pretty. This is where we're going to camp for the night. Looks beautiful. It's 20 to 5, the sun's just setting. Beautiful forest. Here in the Wild 37 camping area along the desert oaks. Cannot fault it. 8:02 in the morning on morning 7. Heading for Wild 33 in Kunawarritji. We'll do a 2-nighter at Wild 33. Running along the crest of the dunes pretty much this morning. Very pretty. It's quite a thick sand all along. A couple of little lumpy dunes. But otherwise quite pleasant driving. It's too beautiful. Coming into Wild 36. It's been a very pleasant drive along the dunes. It's like we're just over an hour to drive between 37 and 36. There's the well. Not much left of there. Just had our first tyre problem of the trip so far on the ram. So we're cutting the sidewall. Adam has done this before because you can see the plug sticking out of his sidewall as well.
Thanks, mate. How many of there are you? We got 5, mate. No worries, thanks, mate.
We're just
My last vehicle's a Land Rover Discovery towing a TVan. Yeah, no worries, mate.
we're 5 kilometres north of Well 35. About to go past a party heading north.
Yeah, it gets a bit tight up the top. You'll lose a little bit of bark on the way through.
Yeah, I'm the last one, guys.
Thanks very much, guys. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Thanks, mate. So do you guys.
Here at the last of the northbound. Coming into Well 35. It's been a really pleasant drive between 36 and 35. Beautiful drive. Scenery is magnificent. Yeah, one puncture. Sidewall cut, took 3 plugs to fix. Excellent. It's the first time we've had a tyre problem in my own vehicles since Halls Creek, so that's pretty good going, I reckon. But I think the southern section is worse on tyres than the northern section. What's what's left of Well 35? Hidden under the tea tree. Not neither looking forward to the corrugations, the renowned corrugations, so We're about to find out how bad they actually are. Just waiting for the other guys to get ahead of us a bit so we can pick up some speed. There's multiple tracks. Try the R10 track for a change. Over 60 seems to be a reasonably comfortable place, keeping us mostly on top of the corrugations. Tracks in here, left and right. There you go, this is brutal at the beginning. We're going about 30 at the moment. It's on 50. Coming into well 34.
What speed were you doing along those corrugations?
I think about 50.
Well 34, lunch on day 7. We're about 15 k's from well 33. The corrugations are quite bad again. Trying to push up to around 65 at the moment.